Say alhamdulillah every day. When the sun begins to shine, I say alhamdulillah, it's a sign. For the trees, the sky, the breeze, Allah made them all with ease. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, praise to Allah for all we see. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, grateful heart, so happy we'll be. When I hear the birds that sing, I thank Allah for everything. For my family and my friends, Allah's blessings never end. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, praise to Allah for all we see. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, grateful heart, so happy we'll be. When I pray, I feel so near to Allah, who's always here, guiding us both day and night, helping us to do what's right. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, praise to Allah for all we see. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, grateful heart, so happy we'll be.